Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing about the gaseous exchange in animals. What is gaseous exchange? Exchange of gases between two mediums is called gaseous exchange. These two mediums for aquatic animals are water and blood, whereas for terrestrial animals these two mediums are air and air is better respiratory medium as compared to water because in air percentage of oxygen is higher than the percentage of oxygen in water. In unicellular organisms like protozoa, the plasma membrane serves as the respiratory surface. In multicellular animals, their body surface or some internal surface could serve as a respiratory medium. These are some properties of respiratory surface. Respiratory surface should be thin, wet, permeable, large in relation to the volume of the body. It must be sufficiently large enough to exchange gases for all the cells of the body. For example, the total surface area of the respiratory surface in human is about 20 times to the size of the body. An increased surface for gaseous exchange allows a faster rate of diffusion to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. It is necessary to compensate for the small surface area to the volume ratio of the animal body. This is all for today's class. Consider supporting my channel. Take care of yourself and your lovings. Goodbye.